Get any of your clients' credit scores boosted literally overnight, virtually free. Dear loan broker, CreditRepairCo.net wants to help your business by offering to boost any of your clients' FICO scores virtually free. Bring us any one of your bad credit apps and we'll work our magic. But hurry, we can only offer this to the first 10 brokers who respond to this limited time offer. What's your benefit in using our service? Glad you asked. First, it will skyrocket your fund-to-close ratio. Second, close unfundable basket case loans. Third, boost FICO scores into your sweet spot. Next, fast results. Many files are done in 48 hours, believe it or not. And your clients will save thousands of dollars on their loan. And you can receive hot referrals from happy clients. Get an industry best price rate, volume pricing. If that wasn't enough, listen here. What it would mean for your business to close every bad credit loan app. We have 3 great strategies to boost your client's FICO score like a rocket. Our most common tactic is hard credit inquiry removal. Did you know that each inquiry costs your clients up to 5 points on your report? These inquiries can have a dramatic effect on lowering your client's credit score. It is not a good idea to have inquiries. The good news is our work is almost done immediately and boosts your client's credit score right afterwards. In fact, many clients experience results in 48 hours or less. Again, this virtually free offer is 100% no risk to try, and you must call 424-328-0405. We can only offer this to the first 20 brokers who respond to this limited time offer. There's nothing to lose by taking us up on our virtually free credit repair offer. You'll be amazed at how fast we can boost your client's credit score. Over the years, we've removed thousands of hard credit inquiry items, over 150,000 from credit reports. In fact, that is our specialty. Our strategies will boost your clients faster than steroids, but it's 110% legal. That's because we go the extra mile to protect you and your clients. Don't take a chance with other companies. Use us as your partner you can trust. You don't have to take our word for it. We have thousands of client testimonials to back it up and an ironclad 3-year guarantee on our work. How many more loans could you sign this month? This year? With our clean as a whistle reputation, there's simply no reason to risk your business working with any other credit repair company, whose tactics may not even be exactly legal. Companies come and go in this business, but CreditRepairCo.net has stood the test of time. Why CreditRepairCo.net? I am glad you asked. Our track record speaks for itself. First, we have a stellar reputation. Next, over 11 years in business, with 150,000 hard credit inquiries removed, 60,000 negative items removed, and nearly 10,000 satisfied clients. Thousands of happy client testimonials, and more than 2,000 likes on Facebook. Plus, an unheard 3-year clean credit guarantee. What's more, our credit repair service is tailored to your business. We can work behind the scenes as a private label partner, and volume-based pricing is available. Order as many or as little of our services as you need to get the client funded. Then either mark up our services or pass us to the client. It's in your hands. In other words, our special offer and 3-year guarantee means it's 110% risk-free to try our credit repair service. But you must call 424-328-0405 to reserve your spot. Plus, you get effortless referral bonuses. Get 50% off your first 10 hard inquiry removals, which is a $250 retail value. To qualify, just send this video to 3 other professionals you think would benefit from our service, and CC our email, Brian, B-R-I-A-N, at CreditRepairCo.net, so we can track your referral. Do this, it's what we call a real no-brainer.